Hello and welcome in our new video of Java tutorial. Today we are going to run a very simple program in Eclipse for Java. So to write this program, first we have to open the Eclipse IDE. So we have Eclipse 2020-03 for running and Java applications. So we start now. To run a very simple program of Java in Eclipse, we just need to go at file menu. In the file menu we have to choose new option, and then in the new we have to press on a Java project, and here you have to give the name for the Java project that you want to create. So here we give name it as learn Java project, and then set your environment, which in environment you want to run. We have JDK 14.0.1 install here, so we are going to use default JRE JDK and workspace compiler preferences, and then we have to click on finish. After this you will be asked for create module, so we don't need here this module, so we click on don't create. You are building a very simple Java application or Java program. So after creating this new project in a package explorer, you will see this learn Java project, which you type earlier this name. So you have to click on this, and you can see there src folder. In this src folder you have to right click and choose new option there, and from there you have to click on the class, create a new class. We just click on there, and here you have to name the class. So learn Java class. Okay, here you have to keep in mind that the name of the class, we have to start with this name capital letters. The name of the class in a Java should be the first character or the first alphabet of the name of the class. Whenever we write a Java application, it should be in a capital letter. So write the name there and click or take the main method and click finish. Okay, after finishing you will get the learn java. This is our class name, and this is our program or the application name too. Then you will find here public class learn Java, the name of the class which we create earlier, the learn Java. Here you can see this public is a keyword which defined that, or which stated that this class is in public mode, or in this visibility mode is public, so we have to write this public here. And this is the class. Class is also a keyword which define an user defined data type, which is used to define user defined data type. So when we write this name learn class, learn Java, this name is become a class name, or indirectly we can say this is an data type which we are created here, because class is an user defined data type. So after class we have to write here a main method. This is a main method. The Java compiler or the Java virtual machine needs to execute the program, this main method. So without this main method, the Java compiler or the Java virtual machine does not compile your any program, or any code is not going to execute without this main method. Here also we declare this main method as publicly defined. It has a static is also a keyword. Void is also keyword which define that this main method is not going to return any value, so we write it as void. This is static and this is public keywords, and all the keywords you will see in the different color, or you can see in the red color of here. Okay, now we are creating a very simple Java program, so we have to write the code here. So to write the code, we will start here. So we first going to type or print the message. To print the message on a Java console, so we have to type this system.out.print ln in bracket and in double quotation. You have to whatever you want to write, you can write here. We just write in this welcome in Java tutorial, and you have to, whenever you complete the things in Java, you have to write this colon there, so it means that the statement is closed there. So here we write this system.out.println system.out.println. Println is the method which is from this class system, and we have to give this output to the console, so we have to write this out here. So system.out.println welcome in a Java tutorial. So now we will print this second message too. We are going to add two numbers, so we have to write here is at in double quotation addition of two numbers and semicolon here. Here this Eclipse IDE will help you whenever you create a mistake there. So we have to click and did the okay, system.out.println. Here we type the P as capital letter, we have to type it as small letters. Okay, so we are going to add two numbers. So to add two numbers, we have to first these two values. So we have to type int means it is a data type which will store this kind of value, which are integer type of value. Then we have to another 30. These are the two variables we use here. They have the data type of integer type of these variables we are using here, x equal to 20 and y equal to 30. So we have to print these values. System.out.print system.out.println in bracket. I have to double quotation. In double quote you have to write that the value of x is equal to, whenever we want to print this numerical value, we have to write plus sign and that particular variable name. Here we want to print the value of x, so we have to we did this. So you can copy this for the another variable and paste there and simply write y, the value of y we have to print on this console. And then we want to print this result in a z variable, z equal to x plus y and semicolon, and then we can print this result. We can print system.out.println in bracket in double quotation. We have to write the addition of two numbers is equal to, I have to write the plus and y, plus and z value. Okay, this I have to click on this run as Java application. So whenever this program it will run, after the running this program you will display all the messages and all the values that we print here. The first message or the first out statement or the first println is welcome in a Java, so this will print first. Then the addition of two numbers will print, and here we are just declare this value of the particular variable, so these are not going to print. So to print these values we use these two println statements. one will print x value and another will y's value. And then after we are storing this result of addition or the summation or the result of this addition in z variable. So we have to print this another println. So in this sequence that we write the statement in this main method will be executed one by one. So we will get this output. Welcome in Java tutorial. This will must be print into run this Java application. This will print welcome in a Java tutorial, addition of two numbers and the value of x and y. X value is here is 20 and y's value is 30. So the output or the addition of two number will be 50. So in this way you can run the simple program on Eclipse. So please, if you like our tutorial, please subscribe, share and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification when we upload our new video. Thank you.